From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge. As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They work the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on the workers below. It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limitless, that we have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole.